zucchini and potato flan, a delicious bite-by-bite discovery. Let's make it together. Wash and take the zucchini. Cut them into slices. Pour a drizzle of oil into a frying pan. Add the zucchini slices and a salt. Smash the previously boiled potatoes in a bowl. Add the cooked zucchini. Combine eggs and Parmesan cheese. Mix thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a mold lined with breadcrumbs. Level it out well. Sprinkle the surface with more breadcrumbs. Bake in the oven at 180 C350F for 35 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool slightly, then turn it out and cut into slices. Enjoy your meal, and keep cooking with Cookaround.